table this box to this pillar, and let's get to hooping.
Can we create a tower of boxes that like acts like a hoop?
Yeah.
Can we request from the PBA that we get a hoop in every paddle?
He just carries
That's what
around a
PBA
mini
players
hoop.
do during the
We
break.
can put it on the back.
He's gonna be the one that makes it.
Oh wait!
Off the bounce? Probably need to do it off the bounce so it comes in a little easier. Oh, now that the camera's on, I'll show everybody. It's fine. Big Papa's here. Off the bounce? Oh, that's so good.
Good morning. This is day 2 of match play at the Masters. I'm not bowling anymore. 2 and out. Lost my first 2 matches. Weren't very close. If you saw the last vlog, I was very harsh on myself, and my feelings are still the same. Big impact on kind of just how the season's been going. It hasn't been great. Really just trying to push through and bowl better so we can hopefully get some better results. But we have some horses in the race. We're mainly going to highlight our boy Chris, give you some updates as we go, and talk through what's going on and how the matches are progressing.
So, your last 2 matches came down to the last game. What are you looking to do with this one?
Well, I think it's also going to come down to the last game. You start getting to this part of the tournament, I mean, these guys are bowling really well this week. They're matched up, they're lined up. They know their ball progressions, they know what they need to do, and you're never really ever going to get handed a match at this point in the tournament. So it's all got to be earned, so hopefully more of the same. I feel like I've bowled pretty well the last, well, really all 4 matches, so just some more of that, hopefully.
tough one, you know? I'm going Simo. I still think Simo's the best player in the world. Mikey actually made a good comment. He said, Simo is like the reincarnation, although they're not dead yet, of Norm, Pete, and Belmo. He said, if those three had a baby, that's Simo. And I was like, yeah. Chris is he's guaranteed a show. I think he bowls the second match on the show.
But what about this one? One more till the show? One more till the show. I got a bowl Rash. I just bowled Doherty. He's mad at me. He's very mad at me.
Nice. Did you shimrag him?
No. I just made him hook a crap load. I threw 180 grid up 8, and then I threw it up 10, and then I threw it up 12.
So you did shimrag him?
Oh no, there was shim.
He
but it
up
210. But it 210 when you miss left. So there was plenty of shim. There was just also plenty of hook. So yeah, I won 604 to 530. All the other matches are 730, and I'm like, let's make it as low scoring as possible, please. I want to shoot spares.
Oh, you got your wish.
I did, yeah.
Simon's going for the number 1 seed right now. He's going to the 10th frame, turning 545. He's got the front 9. He's got the 1 seed locked up. So he needs to win 1 time within 2 games to be the back-to-back Masters champion. I'm going to show you his 10th frame because my man is dialed.
Pretty tough to beat.
Chris Fly.
How are you?
He's just not human. He's just not human. It's incredible. I don't care what you think about Simo. Don't care what you say. Don't care if you don't like how he acts sometimes. I don't condone that stuff, but dude, you gotta give it to him. I think he's the greatest bowler on the planet.
I agree. This is the best bowling I've ever seen, just for the whole year. I mean, how many events have we bowled?
This is number 8.
Number 8, and his worst finish is 10th.
And he's been on how many shows? Like 6 or 7? He's been on every major show.
Making me sweat.
He's bowling for another title. The dude's incredible.
We're at the halfway point of Chris's match against Kyle. He's looking a little bleak, but he made a ball change after 4 frames. He got a little double here. Second one went face Brooklyn. So we'll see if he can make a move on the left lane and stay with it. Kyle looks a little iffy. Just coming off of 5 through the middle, so we'll see how he recovers. It'll be an interesting second half of this game, so we'll see.
Huge.
Huge. But like, we want both to just make it through.
I know, we want both.
This is rough. We hate watching the friends just do this.
But who else would you rather be in on TV with?
This is probably the worst spot to have a tie in.
Man, Kyle got that dog. You can't, dude. Those are the matches that you, as viewers, should love to watch. Don't care what the score is, neck and neck, down to the wire, past the wire, overtime shots. Dude, the match had it all, except for high scores. But you know, really wanted our boy Chris to win, but it's tough. You know, we're all like family out here, especially with the house boys. But dude, that got my blood pumping. That was sick.